Hi, welcome to CJY Money Entertainment. And I got me a box. And this box, I know what it is, and I'm happy to share it with you. And I'm happy that you opened it up with my knife. Yes, it's here, it's here. This top and push it out. Come on. It's packed very well. Everything is all packed in, which I think I like because everything has got its own little, look at that. I like that a lot. The cord is in here in the top. Keep that out the way. That's good. And then here we are. This is the juicer. Okay. And look how good that they have that seal. The packaging is wonderful. I love the way they have the packaging. They even got a cleaning brush with it. This is like a foam section. So you take that part out and then you can slide the rest of this out. This is glass. And that was a great way to keep it together. I am going to read the instructions. I don't do anything without reading the instructions. So I will read the instructions and then get back with you. I've never had a portable juicer. If anyone has had a portable juicer before, hit me up in the comments. Tell me how you like yours, how much you enjoy it. Look, it has a little handle. I think that's cute. This is solid, people. This is not plastic like I thought. I thought this was going to be plastic. It is not. It's a nice weight. Okay, this is really sharp. And this is the silicone top to seal it. And give it a nice tight seal, which goes over the blade. The blade is able to do ice, as long as the ice is real thin, as well as nuts and chop up fruit. And you want that to be over. There's the traveling mug and the mixing mug, and that goes on the top. The cleaner brush has a nice handle, it's nice and round, and it has about maybe 3 different types of brushes. The brushes are pretty hard. And then you got the rechargeable. Of course, this is rechargeable. There's the on and off button. There's the sensor lights to let you know how it's charged. You can charge this with your cell phone, laptop, or even in the car. Plug it in, charge up your little portable blender. And it's a nice cover to be able to cover it up so you wouldn't know. Charging time is 3 to 5 hours. This looks awesome. I can't wait to try it out. Okay, I got all my ingredients in, and I used almost a half of everything. And now all I'm supposed to do is push this button right here. Okay, I'm gonna hold it. Press the button in, hold it, and then I let it mix. It's good to sometimes shake your container to make sure that the fruit and everything doesn't get stuck to your blade. Turn it upside down, shake it a little bit, and turn it back. I didn't have to do that because I just did blueberries and I did crush. Shows that there's 3 lights. That lets me know my light indicator that I still got juice left. But there is 4 bars, and it did shut off on its own. And it does chunks of pineapple, the nuts. It's all blended well. Likes up if you like this video. Slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff and things.